Apple unveiled a new line of iPhones at its annual September event today.
The tech giant also debuted other upgraded versions of products, including Apple Watches and AirPods. The latest iPhones feature more advanced cameras, along with a better battery life and design. They also have improved satellite network connectivity.
Additionally, Apple launched watches with bigger displays and more health features. The company also introduced a new model of AirPods featuring enhanced sound quality and sensors. Joining us now is Burton Kelso. He's a chief technology expert for Integral. Burton, welcome. So great to see you. So, I'm curious about the new AirPods. Have they figured out a way to help you not lose them? Because I can't tell you how many pairs myself and my kids have lost. It's almost like I don't even want to add up the amount of money wasted on them. But do today's announcements from Apple largely align with expectations?
I think so, yeah. I mean, I think it's gone above and beyond. I think some people may be disappointed that Apple didn't release their VR set. But other than that, with the Apple Watch Ultra, the iPhone 14, and the fact that iPhones now have satellite capabilities to make emergency service calls. I mean, I think you can't expect Apple to go above and beyond with the products and services that were announced today.
Mm-hmm. Well, what are some of the main updates, Burton, being made to the Apple devices that we currently know?
Well, with the iPhone 14, they're introducing a technology called the Dynamic Island, which means that your pop-ups will show a little bit more integrated with your iPhone, so they won't be as intrusive as they have been in the past. Also, Apple's announcing a better camera with their iPhone. Also, there's video quality is going to be a lot better with the new iPhone 14. And with some of the other Apple products, like for the iPod or the AirPods, I'm sorry, they are allowing you to use Find My Device with your AirPods. So you should be able to find your device.
There you go, Tanya.
Well, that's what I've been waiting for. I mean, there's probably about 15 little AirPods around my house somewhere that this can help me find. All right. So what do you think, having looked at the whole lineup there, Burton, which of these new products do you believe will be the most popular among consumers and why? We already know which one is most popular with me, but what about everyone else?
I'm going to go with the Apple Watch Ultra, just because it's designed for a new outdoor type of person. The challenge is your Apple Watches are a little bit flimsy and they're not that durable. So having a watch for outdoorsy folks is going to be great that they can use and not necessarily have to worry about the Apple Watch breaking as easy as, say, your old Apple Watch. But another aspect, too, that I was going to throw out that might be second are the new AirPods, because they're designed for tiny ears now. So you don't have to worry about one size fits all with your AirPods. You can get AirPods that will fit any type of ear hole.
Hallelujah.
I think that's pretty exciting.
Tanya is so happy
I'm
right
so
now.
excited.
You have no idea how
They
happy
fall
she is.
out of my ears. I lose them. I mean,
this is going to change the quality of her life,
Totally.
Burton. So you mentioned this earlier, that there's been some disappointment that Apple didn't say anything about its highly anticipated augmented reality, virtual reality headset. So what accounts for the delay in this product's release?
Well, they're having problems with it overheating. And I'm sure the pandemic has to do with that too, because we're still in the midst of a semiconductor shortage because of the pandemic. But getting the virtual reality headset not to overheat is the challenge that Apple is dealing with. Also, there's been some conflict with the actual software. And I think the challenging thing with VR headsets, they're pretty complicated. So people have to understand there are going to be some delays with some of these products, but hopefully in 2023, we'll see Apple roll out that VR headset.
Okay, 2023. Burton Kelso. Burton, thank you so much for joining us. We appreciate it.
Thanks,
Thank
Burton.
you for having me.